Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Janae and this is Janai's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll be making yogurt covered strawberries. Recently been seeing a lot of frozen yogurt covered fruit recipes online and I wanted to give it a try. So for this recipe, I'll be using Greek yogurt, just plain Greek yogurt, some agave syrup, and honey. And then of course some strawberries, which I have already cleaned and dried. And if you're curious as to how I like to clean my strawberries, you can check out this video right here. Alright, let's get started. And don't forget to check the description box for any additional information or helpful tips related to this recipe. Alright, so I'm going to use about, I would say, this is pretty thick, so that should be more than enough. So I am using about a cup of yogurt. I'm going to drizzle in some honey. I'll say about 2 teaspoons of honey. And then some agave for additional sweetness. About a teaspoon of agave. So next I'll mix these ingredients together until it gets nice and smooth. All right, I'm gonna taste it. Okay, that's not too bad. I'm gonna add a little bit more agave. Next, I'll dip the strawberries in the yogurt and place them in the freezer. Oh yeah, that's perfect. This is what the consistency looks like. Shout out to the comment section. I made a video a while back where I was struggling to get the parchment paper in the baking dish, and someone in the comment section suggested to kind of crumble the paper up before putting it in the baking dish, and I've been doing that ever since and it's been a lifesaver. So just a little tip, and just like that, easy peasy. Let's see, hopefully this yogurt sticks. So I'm just gonna take the strawberry and I'm gonna dip it in the yogurt few times like so, and then I'll place them here. I just dipped each strawberry in the yogurt a few times to ensure that they were fully coated. So they're all dipped. I'm gonna go ahead and place these in the freezer for about 45 minutes. That tastes pretty good. So overall, I think these are pretty good. If you're a fan of strawberries and yogurt, go ahead and give this a try. I'm gonna play around with the recipe a little bit. Next time I'm gonna chop up the strawberries and maybe add some blueberries and raspberries, and then I'll make some clusters out of them. But this was pretty good. Alright you guys, so if you like what you saw in this video, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, or simply share the video with someone that you think could benefit from it. And if you'd like to connect with me, maybe you have a recipe you'd like for me to try or a product to review, go ahead and send me an email at janaiskitchen@gmail.com. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Hey guys, before I go, I just wanted you to know that I did end up making the clusters and they came out really good. I think I actually prefer this method over the frozen strawberry. Comment below if you'd like a video on the clusters.